Lagi na lang to siyang tumatayo ng ganito. Come on, lift up. Ang kulit-kulit mo na. Come on. Are you okay na? Okay ka na? Ha? Full tummy? Oh my goodness, Lela. Wala na akong nagawa, Lela. Nagdidi na. Akala ko natulog ka. Are you happy? Look at that. Look at that. So pretty. Alive. So pretty. Are you happy? Mommy feed you. Are you happy? Look at that. So pretty. Look at that. Oh, okay. Mommy torn. I need to finish to cover the pillow. Oh, hi guys. Good morning. So, hi guys! For today's video guys, aalis tayo. So, may appointment si Laila guys. And yun, inantay lang namin yung daddy niya. So, aalis kami. So, naka-ready na. Naka-ready na ako guys. Nakaligo na ako. So, si Laila na lang yung aking bibihisan. So, ayan si Laila guys. Hello everyone! So, naglalaro siya doon. Hinayaan ko siya maglaro habang ligo ako guys. So, yun pala guys, mayroon akong i-clip din na video last time. So, hindi ko siya na-upload guys. So, i-clip natin siya. And yun, prepare ko lang si Laila guys. And then, naalis na kami. Right, Laila? Right? Guys, si Laila nagdidi. Pinadidi ko muna siya guys bago kami mag-travel. Para hindi siya mauhaw. Laila! 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 Hindi naman oh. Gustong gusto ko tong damit na to guys. So, itong damit guys, ayan yun. I-review natin siya. Sa Jack and Book ko yan guys na order. Yung mayroon silang Instagram. So, ilagay ko yung page guys. And then yung link ko rin. Baka gusto nyong mag-order guys. So, yan siya ang kanyang out. Hello! Choking. I will eat it. We're going to Phillip Island. The other one. What are you doing? She removed the socks, huh? The sock. I like camping tayo guys. Which one?
You wanna wear slipper?
The shoes that we bought in Baby Panties not yet fit with Laila. Come on, take na pibe. Travel tayo guys. Only 1 hour, so she's happy. Hello, you can see the penguin. You will go to the penguin. Hello. Hi guys. Nandito na kami guys sa camper park kung saan dito kami guys camping. So, malapit siya sa beach. Nandito kami sa Phillip Island. So, bukas marami kaming gagawin, guys. Si Laila, medyo okay na yan siya. Galing yan siya nilagnat kahapon. So, yan. Okay na siya. Medyo may sinat-sinat pa siya, guys. Pero at least, hindi na siya yung kagaya kahapon na sobrang grumpy niya. Right, Laila? So, nandito yung isa guys sa opisina. So, yan. Tingnan natin guys kasi pupunta rin kami ng Kuala Park. At saka yung sa beach nila dito. At saka yung mayroon silang parade. Yung penguin parade guys. Mayroon din dito guys. So tingnan natin bukas guys. So yan siya guys. Yan. Ayan mga camper van. So yan. May mga dumarating pa. Ang lalaki ng mga camper dito. Si Laila, grumpy si Laila. Hello! Where are we? Number 21. Oh, so it's big area. Yeah, mostly van. Ito siya dito guys. Hindi siya kagaya dun sa napuntahan namin sa Sea Spray. Na maluwag siya. Tsaka ocean ano talaga yun. Yung view niya. So dito siya. Ganito. Masikip. Kasi maraming nagka-camper. Tagalog. Lala. We are here. Walking. Oh, there's a post office. So, puno siya dito. Walking si Laila na masyal.
Chinese restaurants full.
A lot here, Hannah. Look, they're waiting also. Phillip Island. Very popular. Chinese. Big one. On island. Oh, big. The travel one. Look,
That's where we were before in the house.
Ah, yeah. Look, demolition.
Yeah.
So we will walk.
Maybe they'll build another pub.
Too big. Lakad-lakad lang kami guys. It's beautiful. Very popular. Ala, also there, Han. Noodles. Asian. Maybe Chinese.
Talking.
Huh?
Talking.
Laila! Are you okay? Hello! She's very smiling. Look, she's happy, huh? She's very happy. What time now? 9?
No.
8.
8:15.
8:15. Still.
Sleep well tonight.
She will. Bakit she did 1 hour nap. Lala! It's beautiful. Okay, wait. Put here. Okay. Not single here.
Single and mingle.
There's also plants. Complete. We will go inside the course. We will get banana, huh? You want kebab? There's kebab. But we ate already.
Eat already.
It's your favorite. Maybe tomorrow. Oh, maybe we will. And later, when we come back, we will
Quick.
wait the. You call this one? Sunset.
Look, another pub, huh?
Look, pub here. Very popular. Laila. Nandito kami sa loob ng Coles, guys. Nandito si Laila. Hello, guys! Mabuti na lang nakatulog siya. Kaya nakagala.
Let's go.
Okay. Drumstick. Drumstick. What is this?
Butterfly.
Butterfly. Oh. Alright. Mas-share kami, guys. Suroy-suroy. Okay. Banana. Banana for Laila. Pasyal tayo, Laila. Andito si Laila. What is that, Han? Which one?
$2 for the kids.
For kids?
Cow.
Towel? Oh. She won with.
Yellow one. Oh, hold on.
She won with. She won with the skin. No, she didn't. Wow, good girl. Careful. You'll choke. Hi. Yeah. Hi, guys. Doon yung isa. We're going home now. Hindi namin masyadong enjoy yung pagstay namin dito sa park, guys. Kasi si Laila, guys, may sakit yan siya. So, uwi na kami, guys. Ayan, nag-pack up na yung isa. So, hindi kami naka-swimming sa beach, pero sa swimming lang kami sa swimming pool. Diba, Laila? Swimming lang kami sa swimming pool. Si Laila. Kasi kahapon, medyo masama yung kanyang pakiramdam. Right, Laila? Pack up na. Ayan, guys. Nag-pack up na ang daddy.
Give me the paper towel.
Which one, huh?
The paper towel.
Paper towel. Sleepy Laila.
Yeah.
Where is Paul? So we're done. We're going, Laila. Why didn't I will wash that one, Han. We're going home. Yan, guys. Yan, guys, yung place. Ganito siya. Yan siyang compare ba namin, bago yan siya guys, kasi sinadya namin ganyan na design dahil yung bata. So yung isa kasi medyo maliit yun, nakakatakot sila, baka mahulog, masyadong mataas yung kanyang higaan. So yan guys, andan yan dun yung beach, pero hindi kami as in na ligo. Hindi kagaya dati. Si Laila guys, masama yung pakiramdam kahapon. So ngayon lang na kami nakaligo sa pool. Ayan, then uwi na kami. Tapos na yung stay namin dito. Hi guys. So before guys kami uwi, mag-tour muna tayo guys sa beach view dito guys, kung saan kami nag-camping. So tulog pa si Laila, iniwan ko muna yung mag-ama doon. So ito guys, oh, so maganda siya. Tingnan natin guys yung view. So ang ganda niya, oh. Marami nang naliligo ngayon. So hindi kami nakaligo kahapon dahil si Laila may sakit. So yan guys, ang ganda niya guys. I-tour ko kayo guys, ang lawak-lawak niya. Ito siya sa Phillip Island. Yan guys, ang ganda ng place. So hapon na pero may araw pa rin. Maraming naliligo. Maganda ngayon siya maligo. Si Laila okay lang siya nung nakaraan. So maligo sana kami. Kaso yan, masama yung pakiramdam ni Laila guys. So hindi. Mainit kasi siya, galing siya sa lagnat. So yan guys, ang ganda niya, oh. Ang ganda-ganda niya. So ang ganda. Maraming naliligo ngayon. Enjoy the view guys. So go. White sand siya, white sand. Yan siya, white sand. Ang daming magagandang mga beach dito sa Australia. Ayan. So, ang ganda pakinggan ng waves. Pero hindi siya kagaya dun sa si spray na napuntahan namin na ang laki ng waves. Ito siya hindi. Lawak niya guys. Beautiful. Yun guys, uwi na tayo. Tahimik, ang ganda ngayon maligo sana eh, kasi hindi siya mainit. Balik na ako guys kasi naghintay na yung partner ko at saka yung nakis ko doon. So let's go guys, let's go back to the apartment. Ganyan guys, mayroon akong ginawa kasi magba-Valentine's bukas. Yan guys, tingnan niyo yung ginawa ko guys. Hindi ko alam kung nabasa nyo yan guys. Happy Valentine breath Yan, I love you. Ang cute. Ang cute niya, eh, no? So, for Valentine's. You guys. Meron akong sinulat doon. Happy Valentine's. Valentine's. Everyone. So, araw ng mga puso. Celebrate na kayo, guys. Yung pangalan niya eh. Tingnan nyo, guys. Cute. Valentine's, everyone. Celebrate your love. Ang clear. Hello, Laila. We're going home. Look her face. At least she sleep. It's not bad. It's not bad, Bibe, right? At least you are now okay. No more
Like,
fever.
Layla's so good she doesn't cry.
Yeah, but we didn't go swimming in the beach like in sea spray next time.
Oh,
So now
okay.
you got your window open?
No, I didn't know.
Yeah. So, okay, I'm getting to it.
I'll get in.
Yan guys, uwi na kami guys. Andun yung isa kasi bukas yung window sa camper van. So, sinarado niya muna guys. So, uwi na kami guys kasi tapos na yung holiday. So, 2 days lang siya kasi back to work na yung partner ko bukas. So, yan. Good lang siya for relaxing, mga ganyan.
Can you help, please? 1 minute.
Where? Okay. Layla! Let's travel again! Thank you, because you're okay now. My honey is here. Say hi to my vlog. We're here, Hano.
Last night.
Last night. It's nice. This side?
No, that's right.
That side? Oh, yeah. Layla, hi! She's quiet now. She's sleeping well. She's
Buggered.
She slept well. It's nice view. I like this one. Bye, Phillip Island. See you later.
Again. When Layla's older, we'll take her to the penguin.
Penguin. We're going to Penguin Parade next time. So, hi guys. Nandito na kami guys sa bahay. So, yan. Nantay ko lang yung partner ko guys at saka yung daddy niya. Nandun sila sa labas. Bumili ng dinner namin. So, kakain kami guys. And dito ko na lang guys tapusin yung aking vlog for today guys. From holidays. So, yun guys. Thank you guys for watching guys. And see you guys on my next vlog. Bye, Layla!